Hey folks, Maverick Indicators here. All right, so man, you guys know I love to trade futures. But man, just looking at Microsoft here through the lens of my Maverick Indicators, I got to jump into 5 contracts. Right now, we have an A+ grade to the downside on the Maverick radar. And I'll walk you through each one of these elements, but what the Maverick radar is doing is it is essentially, have you ever had your eyes deceive you where you look at a trade, you say, I see it, it's going down or it's going up, and then you take the trade and then you get stopped out and you're like, what the heck? I thought I was seeing something else. What was I even thinking? Well, the Maverick radar is going through all our kind of requirements for taking a trade. And I'll walk you through those requirements, but what we're looking for is stacking probability in our favor. Beautiful. We just got a sell signal here. I love that from the Maverick signals. So let me walk you through why I jumped in this trade. Market just opened about 10 minutes ago or something like that. And we'll walk through this thing. You guys know I never jump on that first candle. So first things first, bears are in control. See this red background? Bears are in control. The second thing, and by the way, our indicators work on NinjaTrader, TradingView, and you can use them on stocks, futures, crypto, Forex, whatever, what have you. All right, so first things first, bears are in control. Red background. This is a formula that's trying to decide who's in control, the bears or the bulls. And right now, the bears are in control. The second thing, all right, is that the Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data, not to direction. I'm going to say that again. It colors your candles to the data, not to to direction. So you can see right here, we've been coming up pre-market. And this is pre-market. These are stocks, right? So we were coming up pre-market and you had bright green candles. Bright green is your strongest upside candle. That is your strongest buying candle. Then you got gray candles, which is indecision or reversal. These are indecision candles. You got this nice reversal candle. And now red is your second strongest downside candle and hot pink is your strongest downside candle. And look at this sucker work out. Think of this as coloring your candles to a heat map. Okay, bright green. Green is your second strongest upside candle. Bright green is your strongest. Gray is indecision or reversal. Sideways means indecision. Big candle going in an opposite direction is reversal. Okay, let me turn my brightness up here. And then red is your second strongest downside candle and hot pink is your strongest. Okay, so this is telling you what's going underneath the hood, what's going on underneath the hood with the candle instead of just green and red candles, price and direction, right? Look how smooth this is telling the story. Super strong upside, and I have the chart kind of squinched here, but a lot of energy to the upside. Then all of a sudden you started getting these down confidence arrows. It went from bright green to regular green to gray to now red, your second strongest downside candle, to pink. And we have a saying, if you see pink, it will most likely sink, okay? Especially off the open like this. If you see pink, it will most likely sink, all right? So bears are in control. We have hot pink candles, which is beautiful. We had red before that when we got in. We have a beautiful sell signal here. Beautiful sell signal. All 5 traders, so this Maverick Multi-X up here, this is one of our indicators. Think of these T1 through T5 as traders. They're all algorithms, but think of these as traders. And what I want you to do is I want you to think of each one of these traders as having a completely different style. And they're voting every single tick across 6 time frames. Across 6 time frames, they are voting. Are they bullish or are they bearish? And you can change these time frames to whatever you want. You can add a 7th time frame if you want. But instead of having, you know how people have like 10,000 charts on their monitor and they're trying to read them all at once? Trading is hard enough. Imagine if you had in a nice, neat little package. And again, our indicators work on NinjaTrader and TradingView. Imagine if you had a nice, neat little package where it just showed you 6 time frames, 7 time frames, and then you had 5 traders they're almost trading with, right? They're giving you their vote every single tick and movement Are they bullish or are they bearish? And right now, they're all bearish across the board. All 5 traders who have a completely different style are bearish across the board. On top of that, our Maverick trender. So see this indicator down here. When this line is pegged to the top here, and it can't go any further, that is showing strength and momentum to whatever side it is. So if it's a green line, you can see this thing flew up and you had Maverick trender pegged to the top. Right now, you have the red line that is pegged to the top, which shows strength and momentum to the downside. And you get this beautiful downside label. So I already know, 1, the bears are in control. 2, we have our strongest downside data candle, which is hot pink. 3, we have a sell signal. 4, all 5 traders are voting bearish across 6 time frames. And then my Maverick trender is completely pegged to the top and showing a downtrend, strength and momentum to the downside. So, and you can see we're kind of stalling out here, but as long as I have hot pink candles, I'm good. And then the final piece is we like to go long when price is above this blue line, and we like to go short when price is below it. This is the Maverick guide, okay? And when price is above it, that's one of the ingredients we like to go long. When price is below it, we like to go short. And price is currently below it, okay? So all those ingredients, when we stack probability, right, okay? It's kind of like looks like a dog, smells like a dog, barks like a dog, runs like a dog. It's probably a dog, right? Like we're stacking probability in our favor. And what the Maverick radar is doing down here is it's looking at each one of these elements and it's saying, okay, Maverick AI Pro, yes, you have an A grade. You have hot pink candles to the downside. Maverick Multi-X, you have an A grade because all 5 traders are voting bearish across multiple time frames. The Maverick guide, price is below the Maverick guide, so you get the down arrow. Maverick trender is pegged to the top and you have a downtrend label, and then the bear bull indicator, one of our indicators that's coloring your background, the bears are in control. And then this Q, that is a qualifier. That's kind of a black box qualifier we put on all this to make sure that you guys are getting good setups. So right now I have an A grade to the downside. I have an A plus grade to the downside. So boom. So it's not only confirming what I'm seeing, so I don't see the wrong things, because your eyes can deceive you all the time when you're trading, but this is letting me know, like, hey, like you got an A plus setup here, all in one nice neat little package. Okay, just love the Maverick radar, just absolutely love it. And right now, lifetime members, if you joined after Sunday, if you joined, you get 50% off this indicator right here, which is the Maverick radar. And you can find that on our site. So very, very cool. We are firing on all cylinders here. This is beautiful. Like every single ingredient we're looking for a good trade is we have an A plus setup. And the Maverick radar is letting us know that, okay? So if you want clear vision on your charts, whether you're trading futures, whether you're trading crypto, whether you're trading stock options like I'm doing right this second, whether you're trading Forex, whatever it is, if it's got a chart, like our indicators are going to work on that chart, okay? And we work on TradingView and NinjaTrader. The Maverick radar is it's released on TradingView, and we are currently almost done it on NinjaTrader. We're probably going to release the Maverick radar on NinjaTrader in the next like probably 3 weeks. Within the next 3 weeks, it's already built. It's just in the testing phase, okay? And we just have to be a little bit more careful with the NinjaTrader one because it takes a lot of power, which NinjaTrader works off your computer, which as TradingView does not. And also when we want to fix something or add a component to it, it's really easy on TradingView. We just push that out to your computers. On NinjaTrader, we have to give you a whole new file, and so we just really want to make sure it's right before we release it. So, but it is alive, it is working. We're just in the testing phase, okay? So again, if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want, you want to see what's actually underneath the hood when you're trading and get the, the experience of like, oh, a little bit more clear vision. And I say this all the time. These are the indicators I wish I had when I first started. Come check us out. All right. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Come read what our traders are saying. I already opened my email today and got so many emails from you guys crushing it today using our indicators. I absolutely love it. Keep those wins coming. Love it, love it, love it. Come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.